Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine, safe inside your homes. Now, today we are going to start with chapter 5, that is Jaldi's gift. I repeat, we are going to start with chapter 5, that is Jaldi's gift. Now, all of you are knowing that before we start with the story, before we start with the chapter, first let us find out what are the keywords or the hard words. Why? Because the understanding of keywords or hard words will allow you to understand easily and understand the each and every word of the story or the chapter without any confusion, without any doubts. So let us start with the first keyword, which is husk, the dry outer covering of some fruits and seeds. So now what do you mean by husk? H-U-S-K, husk. Dry outer covering of some fruits and seeds, we call it as husk. Aristocratic. Now what am I saying? Aristocratic means belonging to a noble or upper class family. What am I saying? Means someone who is belonging to a noble or a upper class family. So if say if you are belonging to some noble family or some upper class family, then you will be called as aristocratic, right? Now next we have is gruffly. What do you mean by gruffly? That is GRUFFLY, with a deep and rough voice. Means when someone is telling you very gruffly, it means with a deep and rough voice, not very in a not like in a smooth manner or not so easily, but he or she is talking in a very gruffly manner, which means with a deep and a rough voice. So these are the three keywords that we have studied: husk, aristocratic and gruffly. Now the next one is cocked, COCKED. It means cocked. Now tilted in a particular direction. Now what do you mean by cocked? Any object can be cocked. It means tilted in a particular direction. Say like this or like this, in a particular direction. So now after that we have imploringly, which means in a desperate manner. What do you mean by the word imploringly? It means in a desperate manner. It means very hastily, very desperate, very eager to know, which means imploringly. Next one we have is trotted. Now what do you mean by trotted? Ran with short steps. What do you mean by trotted? Ran with short steps. This is what we mean by trotted. It means if I say when someone when someone has trotted, it means he or she has ran with short steps. So this is what we call trotted, which means ran with short steps. Next one is ambled. Now what do you mean by ambled? It means walked or moved at a slow, relaxed pace. I repeat, what do you mean by ambled? It means walked or moved at a slow and relaxed pace. Pace means over here, it means speed, the speed at which one is traveling. So over here ambled means walking or moving at a slow, relaxed pace, not moving hurriedly or not moving hastily in hurry, not such things, just moving in a slow and a relaxed pace. Pace means the speed over here. So now let us have a quick recap of all what we have studied. So now let us begin with the first word, which was husk, which means dry or the outer covering of some seeds and fruits. Next we had was aristocratic, which means someone belonging to a noble class or the upper class. Next we have is cocked. So now what do you mean by cocked? Tilted in a particular direction. Any object which is tilted in a particular direction is known as cocked. Next we have is imploringly, which means in a desperate manner. In a desperate manner, doing things in hurry, doing things fast, in a very fast manner. Trotted. Now what do you mean by trotted? It means ran with short steps. Trotted means ran with short steps. Ambled. Now what do you mean by ambled? Walked or moved at a slow and relaxed pace. Walking or moving at a slow and very relaxed speed or a relaxed pace. So this is what we mean by ambled. Now I hope all of you are clear with these hard words, because these hard words are not only important for the chapter, but they are important from the exam point of view also. You need to go through these hard words very thoroughly, and you should be knowing the meaning of each one. So it becomes very important for you to pay attention to these hard words also, and not just the story. So now that was it for today. I hope all of you have understood all the hard words or the keywords. You have no questions in that, and that was it for today. So thank you and have a nice day.